Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0472S in color code 001. It's a black color frame. It has a silver Gucci logo on the side of the temples. This frame is made in Italy. And it has double GG logo on the end of the temples. The lenses are a gray gradient color. Up here we have the Gucci velvet cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.